We are going to learn acrylic painting today. Aji ami acrylic painting korim. Aru you must know about it before you start doing. Watercolor is a transparent color method and this is opaque. Watercolor transparent asil hekarne yat patol ke color bur ami korisilu. Kintu acrylic eta opaque color hekarne yat ami khub dark ke color bur korim. Color to moi uliai lesu canvas konor oporte jate plate ot uliale olop waste hoy ei wastage khini bachabo karone moi yate uliai lesu canvas background color. I am using the color on the canvas board only instead of putting it on the palette just to save color. Color should not be light and if it leaves texture, that's good. The two colors we have used at the background, duta color use korisu. Acrylic color ami aro ta kotha monot rakhibo lage janake water color ami prothom light colors korisilu aru tar upor dark color shade disilu. Yate just opposite. Yate ami dark color first set kori upor ami light color or shading. In watercolor we first did the colors very light colors we did first and then we gave shading with dark color shades. But in acrylic it's quite different. First we give the dark color shades, then we apply light color shades on it. I have written in the description about what are the colors I am using in this painting. Kindly check. Description at moi ki color byabohar korisu likhisu check korile apnaloke gom pabo. First layer to olop hukaute second layer to apply koribo lage. Ekebare dry noholu kono okubidha nai. Before the first layer dried up completely, we can use the second layer as well as the third layer. So it is not necessary to make it dry completely. Brush pur ami amar subidha mote byabohar koribo paru. Jene moi yat flat brush use korisu and round brush use korisu aru dangor special karone dangor brush aru koru corner bu koribo karone moi koru brush use korisu tenedore korile hoy. Brushes we should use as per our requirement. For the big area I have used big brushes. I am using both flat brush and round brush here, and to do the corners, small corners, we must use small round brush or small flat brush.